Hello friends, in this video you come to know how to download Python language in your system. First of all, just check your system, that there is what type of operating system do you have. So go to the computer icon on the desktop and right click on it, click on the properties. There you get all the details. In my laptop there is a Windows 10, and you should check the system type also, कि there is a 64-bit operating system or a 32-bit operating system. So you can download the Python in Windows 7 also and Windows 10 also, both of. So open the browser and click this, type the python.org download, just python.org site, download Windows Python. This site open. If you have a latest systems, you can download the Python 3.9 or a 3.7. Otherwise, go to this download option and click on Windows option. When you get this, you will get the latest Python 3 release, Python 3.9, or this one 2.7. Now suppose you have an old version of operating system, that is Windows 7, and a 64 or a 32-bit, then you should go here, that is your go to the you can see there is some dates also. On this date this Python is released, this date on this Python released. So for the Windows 7, you should go on May 2018, scroll it down and you will get the date over here. So here you get the option Python 2.7.15, which launched in the May 1, 2018. I am specially telling you for the Windows 7, it is download in your system very easily. So take this one, Python 2.7.15, that is launched in May 1, 2018. I click this option. You will get these. Go scroll it down. Now go to this Windows. If you have a 64, click on this 64 MSI installer. Click this option. It's installing. It takes few minutes. So when the installation is completed, you will open this file. This is your setup for the 64-bit. You have to click this radio button, install for all users. Go to the next option, then in the next option again next, and it will take a few seconds to install. So after completion of your setup installation, you should go to the start button, and there you can see the option of Python in the P. I have a Windows 10 in my laptop, so I have Python 3.8. Same thing you will get in the Windows 7 also if you install 2.7 version. So this Python shell window you should open. With the prompt it will automatically come. Here you can write the programming, whether it is your suppose I want to write in an interactive mode, its result come line by line. You can see 57 come automatically as an output, and if you mention the variable here and write the coding like this, and in the C variable I calculate the A and B variables. Here I write with the print statement, and you can see the result appear like this. So this way you can install the Python language in your system. Thank you.